Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I am going to start class 5 math assessment 1 chapter 3 operation on whole numbers part 12 simplification when brackets are present. Let's start. Simplification when brackets are present. When bracket, see here, there are three brackets. This is round bracket, small bracket. This is curly bracket. This is rectangular bracket. Rectangular bracket is big bracket and this round bracket is small bracket. When brackets are present in simplification sum, we proceed in the following order. First do the operation within the first bracket, that is within round bracket. Then do the operation within the second bracket, that is within curly bracket, and so on. Simplify the rest in the order oddmus, that is of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Of means multiply. Sometimes in simplification sum of is also written. So which order we will follow? We will follow first we will solve this of means multiply, then divide, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So don't be confused. This multiplication is symbol and this is of. So first we will solve of, then divide, then multiply, then add and subtract. The order of simplification along with bracket we use BODMAS, where B stands for bracket. Note, if more than two operations are inside the brackets, then they also follow the order oddmus of divide, multiply, add, subtract. Let us start. First question. 80 plus rectangular bracket 20 into curly bracket 15 minus round bracket 8 divided by 4 round bracket close, curly bracket close, rectangular bracket close. 80 plus 20 into curly bracket 15 minus 4 to the 8 curly bracket close, rectangular bracket close. 80 plus now 20 15 minus 2 13 into now rectangular bracket close 80 plus 13 to 26 260 260 plus 80 340. This is our answer. So first we have solved this, then we have solved this, then we have solved this, and then this. Now let's see another question. 84 divided rectangular bracket 40 minus curly bracket 15 plus round bracket 13 minus 9 round bracket close, curly bracket close, rectangular bracket close. Let us start. 84 divided, first we will solve this. Rectangular 40 minus curly 15 plus 13 minus 9 10 11 12 13 4 curly bracket close, rectangular bracket close. 84 divided 40 minus 19 rectangular bracket close. 84 divided 10 minus 9 1 3 minus 1 2 21. See, 84 divided 21 into 4 4 1 4 4 2 8. So 4. This is our answer. So first we have solved this bracket, then we have solved this bracket, then we have solved this bracket, then this process. Our answer is 4. So student, chapter 3 operation on whole number, part 12 simplification when brackets are present, completed. Thank you.